today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue with VLC Media Player, the UNDF format error. If you've ever tried to play a video or audio file and encountered this message, don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. First, let's quickly discuss what UNDF means. It stands for undefined, which usually indicates that VLC doesn't recognize the codec used in the file you're trying to play. This can happen if the file is corrupted or if the necessary codecs aren't installed on your system. Now, before we dive into more complex solution, let's try some quick fixes. First, ensure you're using the latest version of VLC. Go to Help and then click on Check for updates. If there's a new version, download and install it. Now, if updating doesn't help, try converting the file to a different format using a file converter. There are many free online tools available for this. Now, if you still can't get it to work, consider using an alternative media player. Try other players like MPC-HC, Pod Player, or even Windows Media Player might handle the file better. Sometimes players support different formats more effectively. And there you have it. Those are several methods to fix the VLC does not support the audio or video format UNDF error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.